to the channel Acharya Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning class, this is Indu Didi from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Dingban, Sitamarhi. Dear students, we have already studied in the previous class about adjectives and its kinds, its definition and the different 7 kinds of adjectives. But today we are not going to discuss about adjective and its kinds. In fact, we are going to discuss on confusing adjectives because there are also some adjectives which are really very confusing, and so it becomes very confusing where and how to use this confusing adjective. So today in this class we are going to study the same thing that is confusing adjectives, and among them the first is the some and any. This is one of the example of confusing adjective, that is some and any. Now, where to use some and where to use any? Now let us see. Some. Some is used in affirmative sentence. So dear students, don't be confused. Say some. Some is used in an affirmative sentence to express quantity. And the next is any. So any is used in negative or interrogative sentence. यानी कि जो any है उसका हम प्रयोग करते हैं कहाँ पे? Negative या फिर interrogative sentence. Interrogative means when we ask question. And the next is each and every. Now when and how to use each and every? See, each refers to two or more things. Listen again. Each refers to two or more things, and the next is every. Now see, every refers to more than two things. Don't be confused. See, each refers to two or more things, every refers to more than two things, and the next is little, a little, the little. Now what is the difference between little, a little and the little? Say, little means not much. Listen again. Little means not much. A little means some but not enough. A little means some but not enough. And the third is the little. Now the little means not much. The little means not much but all there is. And the next confusing adjective is few, a few and the few. Now what is the difference between three of them? Say, few means hardly any. What is few? Few means hardly any. And the next is a few. Now a few means some. And the last is the few. Now what is the few? The few means not many but all there is. And the last of confusing adjective is much, many, a lot of. Now what is the difference between much, many and a lot of? Say, much is used with uncountable noun. यहाँ पे confusion नहीं रखना है. Say, much is used with uncountable noun. जो much है उसका हम uncountable noun के साथ प्रयोग करते हैं, यानी कि जिसको हम गिन नहीं सकते. Many is used with countable nouns. जो many है उसका हम प्रयोग करते हैं countable noun के साथ. The nouns which we can count, यानी कि ऐसे noun जिसको हम गिन सकते हैं वहाँ पे हम यूज करते हैं confusing adjective, that is many. तो ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स है कंफ्यूजिंग एडजेक्टिव्स के जो कि वाकई में कंफ्यूजिंग है, और इसीलिए आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कहाँ क्या लगाए, कहाँ सम लगाए, कहाँ एनी लगाए, वेयर टू यूज मच, मेनी, ए लॉट. सो द बेस्ट थिंग to remove this confusion is that you should always remember all these sentences and definition, then only it will be clear. There will be no confusion how to use confusing adjectives. So what you have to do is you have to remember all the definitions of confusing adjectives. This is only a homework. The homework is remember all the confusing all the confusing adjectives. So my dear students, I hope now there is no confusion about how to use the confusing adjectives. And last but not the least, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.